That's right. Financial freedom for the lazy person. You're in the right spot. Hold up. You know how everyone tells you to work hard for 40 years, pay off your house, and then maybe, just maybe, you can retire? Well, I'm calling BS on that. Because my biggest mentor, the guy who's been a massive guide on my journey, proved that you can get there in 10 years or less, even if you're starting from scratch. Or in his case, $89,000 in bad debt. And he calls himself the lazy landlord. I do got to give a massive shout out to my main man, Dion McNeely. You might know him as the lazy landlord from his channel, Dion Talk Financial Freedom. This dude is the real deal. He went from $89,000 in bad debt, no inheritance, no pension, to financially free in under 10 years. And get this, he just published a new book that's already a #1 investing book on Amazon. It's called Financial Freedom for the Lazy Person, and it is exactly what it sounds like. It's the blueprint. So KP, what's the cracked canvas takeaway? What are you talking about? Dion's story is the ultimate cracked canvas, really. He didn't have a finance degree or a six-figure income. He just wanted to build stability after getting laid off. His book is all about how you, the average person, can build a real estate empire with cash flow, avoid the common traps, and make work optional. He even questions traditional advice like whether paying off your mortgage early is even a good idea. This is the exact philosophy that drives our community, building our own path to freedom, not just following the old rules. Dion, man, I'm so glad I have this book now as a reference guide at pretty much the beginning of my journey. And now you can get it. I'll put a link to Dion's book in the description below. Go check it out and get your hands on it right away. I promise you, if you are interested in making work optional in 10 years or less, no matter where you're starting from, this book is for you. Here's your mission. What's the craziest financial myth you've ever heard? I'd love to hear it. And how did you bust it? Drop your stories in the comments. Let's build this community one truth, no BS, one truth at a time.